All right, guys, I just got a package from Alfred, and when I opened the box, I was actually kind of surprised to see this. You can see it was a 3-pack of locks, and it has the U.S. Army logo right there on the front. Alfred said he sent it as a cautionary tale, not to be fooled by logos or sponsorship. And this thing's from China, so I really can't swear that this is true, but it looks like the Army has licensed its logo to this company, and the money from licensing goes to the morale, welfare, and support. So it supports recreational activities for our soldiers. Thought it'd be interesting to take a look at this. I mean, he wouldn't have sent it unless he was probably not so impressed. So he cut one out. Let's just open this bad boy up. And they look to be keyed the same. Just looking in the side there. So 3 locks, keyed the same. I got to say, it's pretty light. So I think most of this is that advertised thermoplastic cover. 7mm, not too thick on the shackle. The bitting does look good, though. I've got to say, I looked at it through the package. It's only a 4-pinner, but pretty wide variation. Better than Master Lock. Got a little weather cover. And yeah, pretty wide open keyway. All right, let's find out just how good this thing is. Let's try to find a tensioner that'll fit inside of here. Probably, let's try this white one. Doesn't look like the red one. That's a little loose. Let's try the red one. Nope. All right, so first guess. And being only 4 pins, we know it's made in China, despite having the backing of the United States Army, I am going to try a rake. All right, so those of you with timers, go ahead and start them right now. Let's see how long it takes to get inside of this guy. And then probably got Medico cord. Nope, okay, open, stop timers. Yeah, I am not too impressed. And look how thin the shackle is hidden beneath that plastic covering. It's pretty chintzy stuff. I would not, I was in the Army a long time. I can't say I back them in putting the United States Army's name on this. Anyway, guys, there you go from Ralford, the United States Army-backed lock from China. Hard to believe, but things change, guys. I guess we just got to dab. Thanks, guys.